Okay, you guys, I'm about to start the bike. I'm just right now double checking everything that needs to start this bike, that it's connected. So I'm really fucking nervous right now. So let's pull our chokes out. I do have my fire extinguisher on the side. You guys can't see it. Have my fan on so it could blow off all the exhaust. My overhead is halfway open right now. I'll open it if I do get it running. Gonna turn on the fuel right here. Wires are still out right now because I'm still measuring lanes, but I just want to try to start this bike before I do anything else. And here's a little push button for this. Have it wired up. My key switch is right here. If it does fire up, I do expect a lot of smoke, and it's going to be smelly because there's going to be a lot of oil burning off, WD-40 and other chemicals. So far, I'm feeding the fuel directly from a carb, so I don't have my fuel pump. My fuel pump is usually right here, so I don't have that right now. My headlight's not going to turn on because that's not connected. My tail light is not going to go on because it's not connected. Right now, what's connected is my ignition and my charging systems. I know, I'm so fucking nervous. Okay, battery leads are connected. Spark plugs are connected. I'm gonna turn the switch to the on position. I'm just taking this step by steps. So, and this key is kind of finicky. Okay, so that's on. I see light in my speedometer. My neutral light is on. Next step is to press the start button. Now I don't expect it to fire up. What I do, let me turn it off right now. Let me talk a little. I forgot to put my breather hose on, so let me do that right now. So right now I have two angles, my Nikon and my action cameras right here. Need to loosen that up. So let me explain while I do this. When I hit that start button, my first thing that I look for is that engine to turn over, to spin. I want it spinning freely. Usually it's like a winding sound. And then once it starts getting fuel, it sounds like it's gulping up, like taking big gulps. That's a good sign. And then after that, I just expect it to turn over and fire it up. Okay, so that's on. You might see me put some starter fluid. Okay, let's do this again. My start button's right here. Turn the key over. Okay, my speedometer light went off for some reason. Here's the button. Hear that? Winding? That's good. Okay. Stop for a minute. Give it a little bit of gas. Let some fuel run into the gas, into the flow bowls. This is a good sign. My start switch is working. Okay, I'm gonna turn the key switch off right now. If it does fire up, right away I'm going to look into my carbs. Usually it revs up. It's going to rev up pretty high because I have the choke right now. And then once it turns on and it warms up a little, I'm gonna adjust my idle screw. And if I do get it turning over, I'm gonna check if there's any, a bad smell of electrical burning or smoke. That I usually can tell the difference what's oil burning and what's an electrical burn. Electrical burn, you just smell rubber or plastic, and it's really strong to the nose. It's a really strong scent. Also, oil leaks I'll be checking. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of starter fluid. Turn the key over. I'm still fucking nervous. Even I heard the engine turn over, which is so fucking great. So right now I'm just checking for some oil leaks, any leaks, coolant leaks, bad burning. I can smell oil burning